Hello humans, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we are going to find a way to go faster than light. And no, we are not going to become an atom and then to the Large Hadron Collider, but we are actually going to go in person. So first of all, some very heavy objects apparently have so much energy that they can actually almost go as fast as light. For example, neutron stars can be as heavy as 3 solar masses, but can spin at 24% the speed of light. Maybe if we could somehow hollow out a neutron star, it would go faster. Except it would be super hard to do that, so we might have to think of a different way. You know how the observable universe is 93 billion light-years in diameter, and how it's only 13.8 billion years old. That means that some sort of energy is going faster than light, because if the universe was only 13.8 billion years old, then we could only see 13.8 billion light-years of light. Negative matter can help you travel faster than light. One way is to make a wormhole. You could make a wormhole from one side of the universe to the other, and it would still be a step away. Another way is to compress the space in front of you and expand the space behind you. This forms a strange massive warped space that won't move that fast until you bring in the negative matter. But the only problem is that it will just go straight through you, and in the process, you will be expanded and squished. So, probably wormholes would be a better idea. Even though it doesn't look like you are traveling much, you are actually stepping through a huge distance when going through the wormhole. Okay, now that you know ways to travel faster than light, I will tell you ways to travel faster than time, because why not? If you've been watching my previous videos or if you already know, you can simply use the power of space-time. You just go on a really heavy planet, and wait for some time so you can see the effect, and you will end up a few moments in the future, at least once you go back to Earth. But what if you go to absolute infinity, like standing in a black hole? Even though time is stopped for the viewer, it will not be stopped for you. And if you didn't know, zero and infinity are really closely related. Even though this is breaking a very important rule, it is still possible to multiply zero by infinity. Since infinity isn't finite, multiplying it by zero will get every finite number. It could be 1, 10, 40, and so on. That is because 0 infinity times could be anything. But 1 infinity times would be infinity. That means, you can just live your life in the black hole, while the viewer thinks you're frozen. But the moment you enter the black hole, you are already deep in the future. You have already gone infinitely far in the future. But the moment you exit, you will literally be at the end of time. We have not witnessed anything exiting a black hole yet, but that is only because we haven't waited until the end of time, which is in infinity years. But remember that this is all a theory, so don't go and believe that this is true. So please just live your life on and don't let this video disappoint you. Anyways, that's the whole video. Bye.